Alright guys, I'm going to show you how you can find out your password for Roblox if you're logged in. So all you have to do is click on these three dots right here and then click on settings. From here where it says search settings, you want to search for password and you should get this password manager right here. So just select it and then scroll all the way down. It will show you all of your saved passwords. So scroll all the way down until you see Roblox. So I have it right here. And as you can see, it will show you both your username as well as your password. And if you want to reveal your Roblox password, all you have to do is click on this little eye icon right here and it will show you your password. Now, I hope this works for you. Leave a like and subscribe if it did. If you need any further help with Roblox, let me know, and I will see you boys and girls next time. Goodbye.